Speak confidently at work. I start my work early today. I start my work early today. I have an important meeting this morning. I have an important meeting this morning. I will finish this task before lunch. I will finish this task before lunch. Please check this file for me. Please check this file for me. I need help with this report. I need help with this report. I'll send the email now. I'll send the email now. Can you join the meeting, please? Can you join the meeting, please? Let's discuss this problem together. Let's discuss this problem together. I'm working on a new project. I am working on a new project. Please give me your feedback. Please give me your feedback. I'll call the client later. I'll call the client later. The deadline is very close. The deadline is very close. I need more time to complete this. I need more time to complete this. Please update the document. Please update the document. I will share the details soon. I will share the details soon. I am preparing the presentation. I am preparing the presentation. Please explain this part again. Please explain this part again. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your support. I am running a little late today. I am running a little late today. Let's start the meeting on time. Let's start the meeting on time. I will note down all the points. I will note down all the points. Please send me the final version. Please send me the final version. I am waiting for your reply. I am waiting for your reply. This task is very important. This task is very important. I will review it today. I will review it today. Please inform the team. Please inform the team. Let's fix this problem quickly. Let's fix this problem quickly. I am available after lunch. I am available after lunch. Can we reschedule the meeting? Can we reschedule the meeting? I need approval for this request. I need approval for this request. Please keep me updated. Please keep me updated. I will follow the instructions. I will follow the instructions. Let's move to the next topic. Let's move to the next topic. I'll handle this part. I'll handle this part. Please confirm the time. Please confirm the time. I'll be ready by then. I'll be ready by then. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your patience. Let's work as a team. Let's work as a team. Please help me on this task. Please help me on this task. Could you please check the schedule for me? Could you please check the schedule for me? Let me confirm this with my manager. Let me confirm this with my manager. Let's make a quick plan for tomorrow. Let's make a quick plan for tomorrow. Please let me know if anything changes. Please let me know if anything changes. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Until next time.